Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chef David and thank you so much for watching. Please share and like, and don't forget to subscribe and press the like button, no? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be making a special pizza with Canadian bacon. And also, don't forget to press the bell button, subscribe, like, and share, everyone. Support me, everyone, with 2,000 subscribers and also 1 million likes, everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time, and these are my ingredients for my Poolish. I will be doing my fermented yeast. So we have 300 grams of flour. Then we have 300 grams of water, cold water, and then 5 grams of honey and 5 grams of dry yeast. So we're gonna put 300 grams of water inside here. There we go. Then we're gonna put the yeast, 5 grams, dry yeast, let you know. Pop, 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 pop. We put it all of it together in there because that you don't need a mess. And then our honey is 5 grams also. We're going to mix. That also you have to put everything in there. In this dough is no secret. You can do anything you want. You like to do. And also, if you have any questions, you can comment. You can comment and send a message to my older brother. So let you know. My older brother is Vittorio Copelli. Let you know. I'm his younger brother. I'm just telling you guys. That's what I'm gonna introducing you guys. I'm his brother, Vittorio Copelli. So you see, I'm putting all the water with the yeast and the honey and the flour. We put them all there, and it's 300 grams also there, and we're going to mix it very well. But do not put salt because this is only our Poolish. There we go, it's getting there. But if it becomes very thick, a little bit, just add a little bit of water, like a drop. But I don't need water because it's already got the orange. Oh yeah, look at that. So beautiful. Molto bello, very beautiful. I love this. It's like you're making our Poolish sexy, super sexy, like you are. So this is like super sexy, like you are. There you go. And then you cover it and you let it room temperature for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I waited. This is our Poolish, so look at that. This is our Poolish, and we're going to put it in the fridge for 24 hours. You see, that's my Poolish after 24 hours. We're gonna add 700 grams of flour in our dough mixer. I will be using 300 grams of Poolish, so we're gonna put it, all of it inside the dough mixer with the flour. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So, oh wait. After that, you close it. So after that, we're gonna close it. There we go. And we're going to start speed number 1. Turning the dough in there. The Poolish is 300 grams. The flour is 700 grams. Now we're gonna turn it. Now we're gonna start putting water slowly. Slowly in there. And it's 400 grams of water. That's one thing. And then you put salt also, one teaspoon. You speed up the machine. I'm going to add olive oil too, a little bit. It's almost done. After that, we put olive oil on the counter and you spread all of it like this on the counter. Look at this. Wow. Put olive oil on your hands. And so now, if it's sticky, keep your hands full of oil. Look at that. You do it like this. You make a ball. And we add a little bit more olive oil. And then, oh yes. Oh yes. See. And you make perfect. You see? Do it like I'm doing, you see? 2 hands like this, and then the palm. After that, we're gonna cover it for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, we're going to start making the dough balls. So first you stretch it. Look how smooth it is. Wow. You see, so smooth. There we go. And now we're gonna make the dough balls. You see, to make it smooth, you have to put your olive oil on your hands, and then you're doing like I'm doing. Look. You have to be fast. Look at this. And after that, put it always the dough two fingers apart, like this one. 2 fingers apart. You're gonna put and cover it and let it stay for 2 hours. If it's cold, your room, but if it's very hot, only 1 hour. So for the time we're waiting the dough, we set up the oven. You put bake, and then we put the max level. So the max. Of 150, but I will do 495. So you put the max level, but I will do 495 for a night. And this is the dough after 1 hour. Look at that, so nice. So these are the ingredients I will be doing for the cooking. We have fresh mozzarella, then we have our pesto right here. Look at that, our pesto. Then we have grana cheese, and then this one is rice flour for stretching, and then we have our basil, so living basil, and then our Canadian bacon here. Let's go make the pizza now. So now we're gonna put the flour. There we go, and we use this one. Put a little bit like that. There we go. Our flour. Now, make a circle. Like a rice flour, I'm just saying. There we go. So now I'm going to show you how to stretch with 2 fingers. And then you go back. You have to feel the cross. There you go, and then remove the flour, and then we do it like this. And then, voila. So now we're gonna put our pesto. Oh yeah. We put all over. There you go. And then we're going to put our frozen little Parmesan grana cheese. Oh yeah. And then mozzarella. I cut it like this. There we go. And then
Canadian bacon. But me, I cut it like this too. And that's it. And then we add black pepper. So the black pepper, do it higher. So do it higher when you put it. So now we put flour on the peel and boom. There we go, like that. And then we stretch it. There we go. Voila. Now time to put it in the oven. Like one shot. Voila. And we're going to cook it. So the leftover dough, we're going to make bread. So we're gonna make bread. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, press like please, and also share my YouTube channel to your families and friends. Help me to get 2,000 subscribers, everyone, and let's get to what they call 1 million likes also, everyone, if you're decided, if you're willing to help me with that. So because I will be telling you a story. I will tell you a little story what's gonna happen to me on the 11th. So I will be having laser surgery on this eye here. Look at this. Look at this. It's like going that way. It's across. You see, look at my regular eye and the other one. It's crooked. So I'm gonna be having surgery on the 11th. So they're gonna fix this one and they're gonna move the muscle on this eye, put it straight, and I will have red eyes. So I will take a break for my videos, but I need your support, everyone. I need your support with subscribers, please, and also for a like and share to my YouTube channel to your families and friends. That's I only praying for the one up there, my father up there, who is watching. So it's you know what I mean. The one up there is my father up there, like Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior. So because I'm a Christian chef in real life, I believe in God, just telling you the truth of my story. So, and subscribe, press like and share to your families and friends. And God bless you, everyone, and see you next time.